had made videos about 10 plus years ago about how, if we look at the body, how the feminine is rising. And this is also the rise of quantum physics, and with that comes chaos, because it's based on probability, and this is rising, and had said that we cannot live in this because this is called time space. We lived in something called space time. The difference between space time and time space is motion. In space time, we can move around. In time space, we don't move around. We're standing still. And when you're watching, the computers for hours and hours and hours, you are no longer going through space. You're going through time, in a sense. And had said that when this feminine rises, it's going to get ugly quickly. But right after the feminine rises, that's going to come on the heels of that, truth will rise. And we are in a point where truth is starting to rise. And we can see it in a whole lot of things. Now we get to see that this country claiming to be Israel is not the Israel of God. It is a fake. We're seeing that luxury brands, whatever you want to, like Hermes and Birkin, are not made in France or Italy. They're now made in China, and they've been made in China. And the illusion is being broken. You're seeing the politicians lying all the time. Now you can start seeing the lies. And then you look at people that you can't believe that they cannot discern all the lies. And this is the mass delusion. It's like almost all the liars now are believing the delusion. And we can see that the emperor of lies has no clothes on. So like had said 10 plus years ago, that as the feminine rises and we get into chaos, right after that, there's going to be truth. Because if you look at the body, that the Spirit of God is here, and it has to rise to the head. That's why Stephen said, ye stiff-necked and uncircumcised in heart, before he was stoned. So this is all happening. It is all part of God's plan.